jinx on him. Hey kings and queens, I am back with another video, and if you can tell by this title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I bought these amazing, awesome shoes, and I just want to show you guys how they turned out and how they look. Want to see this lovely unboxing? Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I purchased these lovely Christian Louboutins, tomato. So this is the box that it came in. Christian Louboutin box, of course. And I open it up. I bought these from Saks off 5th, and I got these for an amazing price. I got these bad boys for $100. Let's get the receipts for you guys. This is an amazing deal. Like, how could you not? This was the total of, this is what I saved, and this was the exact total. Paid $160 for some Louboutins. These are the actual shoes. I was getting off for work, and I always go to Saks off 5th because I am known there. My family is known there. We shop till we drop. And I actually went in, and they had they're usually doing, you know, luxury designer sales, and it was an additional off. Now the pricing on the shoe was actually $8 something, I think, and it went down to $249. I don't know if you can see that, but it went down to $249, and then it was an additional off. With the additional off, I paid a whopping $159.97, I think. It's totally awesome. That they are peep toe, and they're also platform, just to give you some support. They have, you know, the infamous red bottom. The heel is a thin heel, but I can walk in heels. I mean, do or die. These are to die for. Okay, it's standing on a 130 millimeter heel, 30 millimeter front platform, PVC clear patent leather material, beige nude Louis red print. These are stiletto platform pumps. Thin heel back. Classic red leather sole. We know. Price, I'm on Trade C. For the actual retail price for these are going for the Christian Louboutins, the beige Fetish Peep 130 craft Louboutins. They are going for $588.53. So let's say, ladies, we got a great steal deal. I am so happy that I walked into the store that day. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna pop it up on top. This is basically the price of them, and I actually got them for this price. Come on, this is a win-win here. You can't say no. There's just some things you can't say no to. I'm usually a size 9 US, true to size. I am a 9. These are a 40.5. So I do go up and recommend to go up in Louboutins. Look at the red bottom bleeding, bloody shoes. Let's do some shoe cam for these shoes. Whoever said it was easy being a bad chick, they lied. I would have to say, if you ever go into a store and you're looking for designer stuff, please go to Saks off 5th. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Like, even now, they have Bishimi, they have all other types of designers. They have, but they have all types of designers in the store to actually get these. This is an awesome steal. Like, who would say no? Awesome. I want the So Katie's. I really want those. Those are everyday shoe. I got my shoe size intact with I got my shoe size correct and precise with the peep toe. Now I wonder if the closed toes are the same. But sizing wise, I did go up because I know I would be a 40. I probably went half a size up for these because a 40 is actually a 9. I've been told a 39 is a 9 and that's an 8. But a 40 is actually a 9, I think. Is it? The sizes are weird, but sizes run weird and I'm not really good with the European size, the US cut. I'm a US 9 and these I got in a 40 and a half. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love this unboxing. Let me know if you made an amazing purchase with Louboutin and what pairs you got. Let me know if you made a designer splurge and it was worth the buy, because I so adore and love these. I just can't wait to wear these. It's just that the quarantine, where am I going into? Where am I going to? Until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell all the time so you can be updated every time I post. I post videos twice a week, Monday and Friday. And then until next time, kings and queens, I'm out. Peace.